Hi guys, welcome back to Sunny Vlogs. It's me, Sunny. So guys, for today's video, I will be doing a everyday makeup look from the products of YesStyle. Of course, so Korean beauty, here it comes. So yun nga. And this is the sample chart. So if you wanna know how I create this everyday look, please keep on watching. So guys, before I proceed with the makeup, I already did my moisturizing sa face. So ito yon, I use ROVECTIN Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. It's kind of a gel guys, and it's so moisturizing. I am using it right now, and yun nga guys, nice kayo siya guys. Parang siyang, katulad siya ng Lux Organics, yung ginagamit ko. Yung ginagamit ko din, yung Lux Organics Rose Water Soothing Gel. Yun siya, pero this is more watery. Yes, watery siya. Pero hindi siya yung sobrang parang water. But it's more like water gel, pero mas malabnaw. Yes, and I am loving this. It's hypoallergenic guys. So, it's good for all skin types. So, highly recommended. Yes. So, let's proceed. So, I have here, UpU. Talagang, honestly guys, parang nagugustuhan ko ang mga products from UpU. It suits my skin. Yes. With my previous videos, ginagamit ko yung Pure Black Aqua Sun Gel niya. Yung color green. Yes. And it's more like dewy finish. So, mas, ginagamit ko rin naman po siya, and it's more like, mas maganda siya sa mga, yung dry skin, ganon, kasi dewy finish nga siya guys. Kaya, I top it with powder, loose powder, para parang maging matte siya. So, for this one, this pink one, it's Pure Black Tone Up Sun Base. Yes. It has SPF 50 plus PA+++, and it's more on matte finish siya guys. So, pagkakita ko nito guys, talagang, this is it. This is it for me, char. So, yun nga. So, yes, and it also absorbs excess oil to help makeup stay put longer. So, this is it guys. Ito yung para sa akin, char. So, gagamitin ko siya. Ooh. Yung green kasi guys, more on, mas malabnaw siya compare this. But this one is color pink. Yes. Huy! Humot kayo siya. Promise, para siyang humot kayo siya guys. It's not so matte guys, but it's more on mas matte siya compare sa green. Yung between this one, this is more watery than this one. And maganda din to siya guys. Hydrate skin. Kaya pala guys, hindi ko nabasa guys. No, ngayon ko lang nabasa. It's suitable. It's more suitable for dry skin. So this one, it says me. Hello. Yun na nga guys. So, can you see the difference? Unsa naman niya kung kuhan ay diba? Imsumsad. Zoom na ako? Ayun na lang. Una na lang. Diba guys? It's so nice. It's so nice. First use and highly recommended agad guys. Yes, it's so highly recommended. You can check this out from YesStyle. So, proceed. this is a waterproof pen liner from McQueen Brown Black. Okay, so swatch muna natin guys ang Awi Queen. Ooh, nice. It's so nice guys, and it's so pointed. It is really easy to use, easy to glide guys. So for my cheeks and lips, I will be using the 3CE Style Nanda Cloud Lip Tint in a shade Needful, #Needful. This is an everyday look. Charot. O, diba? Why not? It really does smell good. And this is the swatch. It's a nice. It's a kind of a rose brick ganun. Ganun. Guys, it's so sulit. A little goes a long way, and that's my cheeks. It's done. So for my lips, so guys, this is the final look, and proceed sa review. So for this one guys, it is nice. It is not so dewy, like it is recommended for oily skin like me. And yes, walang foundation yan guys. It is nice for everyday makeup. So pwede siyang i-base, yun nga. Then foundation, yes, it's a thumbs up for me. And the next one is yung waterproof pen liner from McQueen New York. It is very precise guys. It's waterproof. Yes, and it's so easy to use. It is also good for beginners. So next one is yung for the cheeks and sa lips. Ito yung ginamit ko. CE Style Nanda Cloud Lip Tint nila guys in the shade #Needful. It's kind of a rose brick na shade. Yes, and I'm loving it guys. It's so nice, diba? It's so nice, and also a little goes a long way from this product. Yes, diba? It's so nice guys. And also from this product, ROVECTIN Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. It's nice for your base makeup, for moisturizing. It's so moisturizing guys. It's also has advanced formula, hypoallergenic, good for all skin types. So yun nga, highly recommended too. Some of my accessories and my top is from YesStyle. Also, please check them out. Yes, and this one, and the place I was wearing a while ago while doing the makeup, yes, that was also from YesStyle. And yun na nga guys. Yes. Guys, please comment down below for your thoughts about this video. So yes guys, overall also guys, I almost forgot this one, the Some by Me by Blackhead. So I will just create a separate video from this one kasi skincare, good for this is for skincare guys. And yes, I will just upload on my IGTV. Yes, I will just put all the products used on the description box, and also my outfit. These are all available in YesStyle go please download the YesStyle app from Google Play Store or from download from Apple Store. Yes. And please don't forget to apply sanievlogs 04 for more discounts upon checkout. And thank you YesStyle for sending this to me, and thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for joining me with the review video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel for those who haven't subscribed yet, and tap the bell button for more video updates. And for my other social media accounts, please do like and follow. And thank you so much. Manako, thank you guys. So mga to guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Mwah!